The man regulators chased over Bitcoin just built a $1 billion AI company selling the same dangerous idea, freedom. In 2014, the SEC hit Erik Voorhees for unregistered Bitcoin securities, forcing a $50,843.98 settlement and public humiliation. Andrew J. Seresny made it plain. Bitcoin didn't excuse securities law, and Erik Voorhees was the example. Then, Wall Street Journal reporters Justin Sheck and Shane Shiflett cast ShapeShift as crypto's anonymity-fueled dirty secret. Their reporting alleged nearly $90 million in suspect funds crossed ShapeShift, turning privacy into a reputational landmine. When New York pushed BitLicense in 2015, Erik Voorhees didn't bend. He abandoned the entire state market. Born in Connecticut, raised in Colorado, he saw economics morally, then watched the Great Recession shatter trust. Before the lawsuits, Erik Voorhees built SatoshiDice, sold it for $11.5 million, then launched ShapeShift after Mt. Gox. ShapeShift eventually touched about 2% of all Bitcoin transactions, making Voorhees impossible for mainstream finance to ignore. But Venice wasn't a pivot away from controversy, it was Erik Voorhees relitigating the same freedom thesis through AI. His 2024 bet was simple: if money needed permissionless rails, thought might need permissionless models too. Venice argued adults wanted powerful models without surveillance, identity capture, or paternalistic filters deciding what questions were allowed. Venice says prompts encrypt locally, pass through proxy layers, and never live on company servers afterward. Decentralized GPU providers may still see one conversation's plaintext, but not identity or complete history across sessions. Erik Voorhees isn't selling convenience, he's obsessively consistent, turning libertarian philosophy into product design line by line. That coherence is the secret sauce. Product, founder persona, and go-to-market all preach adult autonomy. This time, the antagonist wasn't only Washington, it was mainstream AI's surveillance default and corporate policy choke points. By 2022, Sam Bankman-Fried symbolized the opposite strategy, and Voorhees became a visible anti-SBF counterweight. The skeptics weren't completely wrong. Privacy tools really did attract ugly edge cases, and those headlines stuck. Yet, the exact thesis critics called too risky suddenly found product-market fit in AI at scale. By July 2026, Venice raised $65 million at a $1 billion valuation and cleared $70 million run rate. That news mattered because it turned Erik Voorhees from crypto contrarian into a broader category founder. The same founder once framed as reckless now sells privacy to mainstream users who distrust model surveillance. If adults reward uncensored AI, regulators may face the same nightmare they faced when Bitcoin escaped gatekeepers. Erik Voorhees kept making one bet: people hate permissioned systems, whether they guard money or thought. Is Erik Voorhees building freedom's future, or simply rebranding old risk? Subscribe to Who Matters Now.